Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto TV. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to present the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So हम बात करेंगे डेली चार्ट के बारे में और हम देखेंगे कुछ इंडिकेटर्स को and we will try to understand the technical view or the technical analysis view for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's get started with the Bitcoin first. सो करंटली इट्स ट्रेडिंग है 31,290। तो हमने देखा कि जो एक प्राइस ने सपोर्ट लेवल लिया था अराउंड 29,000 का और एक 30,000 का। सो प्राइस वहाँ से अभी थोड़ा सा अपसाइड ट्रेड कर रहा है, विच इज़ आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग as of now it's up by more than 4%, so which is a good sign because now again we can say the price is approaching the resistance level of 32,330. So for the Bitcoin the range comes out to be 32,330 and the 29,000 levels. So whenever the price comes back to the lower level, there is a upside and it will reach to the resistance, and then we can see a fall. So this is how the consolidated trading or a sideways trading is happening in case of the Bitcoin. But if you look at the overall trend, it's still in a negative trend. We are in a downtrend. RSI is 51. Why? Because the price from the 29,000 level is slightly going up. The 29,000 से प्राइस का जो एक थोड़ा सा अपसाइड मोमेंटम की तरफ जा रहा है या रेजिस्टेंस की तरफ जो प्राइस जा रहा है, उसकी वजह से आपको RSI लेवल्स में भी थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज देखने को मिला है. इट्स करंटली एट 51. Also, if you look at the moving averages here, so 50 EMA is at 33,105, 100 EMA is at 36,408 and 200 EMA is at 39,955. बहुत ही सिंपल है कि अभी जो करंट मार्केट प्राइस है वो जितने भी मूविंग एवरेजेस हैं या जितने भी टेक्निकल इंडिकेटर्स हैं उससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा नीचे ट्रेड हो रहा है. तो एक हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हाँ, यहाँ से रिवर्सल के लिए काफ़ी मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, काफ़ी ट्राई करना पड़ेगा प्राइस को. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट द सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस लेवल्स, देयर इज नो चेंज इन दैट. Support 1 is at 29,000 level, support 2 is at 25,823, resistance 1 is at 32,330 and resistance 2 is at 35,335. Let's quickly move on to the chart of Bitcoin. Okay, now if you look at the current situation, you can see that this is the 4% upside momentum that I was talking about, and you can see every time the price is reaching to support here, there is a slight upside movement. Price will reach to again to the resistance of 32,330, and from there you can see a small fall coming back to 29,000 level. So this is how the trading is happening here. But if you look at the volumes, because there is a consolidation trading, and almost every time when there is a range trading or a consolidation trading, you will see that the volumes will be very less, and this is the same thing happening here. Now what we can see, let's just wait for the close above then the resistance level, and if that happens you will definitely see a good upside movement. And now since the price is again and again moving further, so you can see that at this point of level you will see there is a trend line as well, and also this important resistance level is also there. So the moment price will close above, then these two things you will definitely see a trend reversal from there. And till that time it's not happening जब तक ये price इस resistance level के और trend line के ऊपर close नहीं होता है, तब तक हमको वहाँ से एक डाउन ट्रेंड देखने को मिल सकता है, या ये जो एक कंसोलिडेशन फेज जो हम कुछ टाइम से देख रहे हैं यही कंटिन्यू हम इसको कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन लुक एट द बिटकॉइन चार्ट. एंड इफ यू लुक एट द इथेरियम, so the same situation is there for Ethereum as well. It's currently trading at 1890. Yes, so 1890, so very near to 1900 levels. And for the Ethereum, 1900 2000 level is something where the price has taken up the support. Overall trend is negative. It's a downtrend is there, and RSI is at 44. Now if you look at the moving averages, so 50 EM is at 2240, 2240, and 100 EM is at 2545, 200 EM is at 2830. कोई चेंज नहीं है सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस लेवल्स में. सपोर्ट 1 is 1724, support 2 is 1510, resistance 1 2145, and resistance 2 is at 2336. Let's quickly see the chart. Okay, now if you look at here, Yes. So this is, yes. So this is the support level, which is of 1725. The price is taking up a support here, and the resistance is 2145. So yes, for the Ethereum, the resistance is little far. As we have seen in the Bitcoin, वहाँ पर resistance काफी पास में है, which means वहाँ का जो range है support और resistance levels का, वो बहुत ही short है. और यहाँ पे हमको एक थोड़ा सा एक range देखने को मिलता है. तो जो एक psychological level है अराउंड 2000 का, 1950 2000 का, सबसे पहले तो इथेरियम को वो एक क्रॉस करना है, उसके ऊपर क्लोज करना है, एंड देन इट विल ट्राई टू रीच टू द 2145 level. So as of now, this is the range, very less volumes. However, the price is up by more than 4%. But let's see the evening session, let's see the closing price, and then we might able to get more clarity. But यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूँ रिवर्सल की, no signs as of now. Still we are in a downtrend only. So this is how we basically conduct the analysis for these two cryptocurrencies. I hope you are learning something. So thank you so much for watching us.